Welcome back. In this section of the program, we shall discuss some important maintenance tips for your multimeter. Whenever you are confronted with a multimeter that is new to you, make it a policy to actually read through the operating instruction manual. This will familiarize you with the various differences and other functions that your new meter may possess. As a general rule, all multimeters have an internal battery. The battery is required for the ohm meter function and any audio parts such as a buzzer. The battery is usually only accessible by opening the meter box or cover. If a meter is not used frequently, it is standard practice to remove the battery to avoid any leakage and subsequent internal damage. Many meters are protected with a fuse. If your meter does not operate, check the fuse, which may have blown due to an overload. Always replace the fuse with one of the recommended value. Ensure that test probes are kept clean and free of grease, oil or chemicals that may damage them. Avoid wrapping the leads around the meter. Rather coil them separately for storage. Always store your instrument in its case or keep it safely stowed in a clean and dry cupboard. Don't use instruments in areas of extreme heat or in areas of high inductive influences, as this may cause permanent damage or at least render inaccurate readings. Treat multimeters with care. They are an expensive but valuable aid to any electrician, motor mechanic, electrotechnician, and even handyman. With careful handling, they will provide a long, reliable service life. Please ensure that you read the workbook notes together with this video in order to obtain the fullest benefit from this program. Join us again in other Tech AV programs.